Okay.
So we got this thing. She presses this button, then treats come out. We're gonna try to teach her a new trick.
Okay, ready? We got it. Zoe, get your butthole out of the. Come here. Ready, Zoe? Sit. Ready? Now put it down.
What can I say? Ellie?
She's a very teachable dog. Okay. Ready? You gotta click it right here. Good job. You gotta click it again. Okay. 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 Good. Okay. Okay. Oh, she knocked it off. I think we need bigger treats in here. You think she'll understand that that's, oh. Go ahead. Right there, Zoe. Right, you got it. It's okay. You almost got it. Right there. Come on, right here. Right here. Go ahead.
I don't think these treats are working.
Yeah, I don't think they're working either. We need a bigger treat. Brody, can you go get a bigger treat?
Sure. Should I get this?
Don't get the jerky.
Just get the same treats.
Yeah.
But okay.
Yeah.
How many?
Just like one. One's good. One of the tiny ones. Just because you hit it doesn't mean that it comes out. Go ahead, Zoe. Hit it again. No, right there.
You're getting it.
You got it. Okay, that was pretty good. See, it's right there. See it right there. Oh, nice. We need more.
Come on, puppy, hit it. There you go.
Oh, that was so good.
Girl.
Oh,
gotta hit this.
there's no more. There's no more in there.
I'll get her a couple more.
Yeah, just a little. Okay. Okay, we have to take a little break. No, not yet. High five? Oh, that's a good job.
Wait, good. Attack. See, attack.
Oh, attack. Fight.
Wait, lay down.
Wait, do we have anything to
Lay down.
knock over?
Lay down.
Wait, watch, Zoe. Ready? Sit. No, sit. Knock it over, Zoe. Knock it over. Good job.
Yeah.
They can't be too small.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, because
Let me
they're
pull it up
good.
first. Back up.
Zoe, sit.
Sit. Stay. All right, who says you can't teach an old dog new tricks?
Oh, she's 13, by the way.
Good, Zoe, hit it.
Wait, bring
right
it
here.
up more higher so everybody can
Hit it.
see.
Hit, Zoe, hit it. This right here. Hit this.
You got it. Come on. Right here.
Zoe, hit this.
Zoe, what do you, hit it. Come on, knock it over.
There you go. Yeah, do it again.
Get it.
Good
Get it.
girl.
Come
Do
on.
it again. Hit it.
Yeah, nice, Zoe,
Hit
nice.
this.
No, not that. This. Hit that.
She's like, I know
No,
what it is.
hit
Zoe,
that. Come
this.
on.
Come on, Zoe.
Zoe, right there. Come on.
No, you gotta hit this.
Come on.
Zoe, stop.
Not
hit
this.
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 Yeah, hit this.
Oh my god.
Come on,
Joe
Zoe.
got
No,
it.
Zoe,
No,
yes,
no,
we
Zoe.
know that's where the treats are.
Come
you
on.
have to hit this.
Right there.
Come on, Zoe.
Zoe.
Hit this.
Ow. Come on.
Zoe,
Right
hit
there.
this.
Zoe, right there.
Zoe.
Zoe.
I think it's I think
Come on, over
Zoe,
here.
your butthole's in the
Over here.
camera.
Zoe, over here.
Zoe, over. No.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, come on, Zoe.
Zoe,
Sit. Sit.
Right, hit this.
Hit that.
There you go. Good girl. Do it again.
Come on.
There you go. Look, you got one.
Look. Nice.
So violent. So violent.
No, this.
Like this.
That. No, Zoe. No, Zoe.
Yes,
No,
yes,
Zoe.
I know that's where they are, but they're over here.
No, Zoe. Over here.
over here,
Over
come
here. No. Nope. Taking it
Sit over
away.
here, come on.
Zoe, come over here.
Sit.
Nope. Go
Sit,
over there.
over here.
No, Zoe. Over there.
Sit down.
Sit. Sit. Relax. Stop. No.
Stay.
Go ahead.
There you
That was
go.
so good.
Can you do it again?
Okay, ready? Dude, go over there.
buttholes in the
Ready?
camera.
Go over
Zoe,
there.
over
No.
here. Zoe, over here. Sit.
Zoe, you're putting your
Stay.
baby on.
Stay.
Why are we still hitting? No, this. No, Zoe, this.
It's like, that's where they are, though.
No, sit.
Right, sit.
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 Zoe, sit.
No.
Go ahead. Hit this. Hit this. Hit this.
Yeah, there you go.
Hit that. Oh,
Yeah,
look,
you
you
got
got
it.
it. Look. Zoe.
Look.
Zoe. Right here.
Oh my god. Let her-
Zoe.
No, let her
Right here.
find it.
Okay, fine. I'll put it back in there. Zoe, this. This.
Hit
Zoe,
this.
hit this. So why are we so aggressive? Hit this. Come on, right there. No, 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 no. This.
Do you
Okay,
think she'll
okay.
learn if she just keeps hitting the same thing and nothing happens?
Hit this. Yeah, probably. Well, she can't eat that many treats.
So hit this.
No, we do it in today though.
This. Yeah, there you go. Hit this. Hit this.
Zoe, hit. No, no, right here.
Hit this,
This.
Zoe.
She's getting it.
No, no, not
Hit
that.
Yeah, there you go.
Hit this.
Yeah, there you go.
Zoe, you gotta get a
Hit it
good.
again.
Oh, there you go, you got
Yay.
it. Wait, what are the other tricks she knows? Ready? Wait, sit. I have them in my hand. Ready? Fight, 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 fight. No, fight. No, 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 no. We're very hyper right now.
Fight,
Sit.
fight, 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 fight.
Fight, 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 fight. Come on, fight, 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 fight. No, no, this is not fighting. This is high fiving. Sit. Fight, 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 fight. No, no, both paws. Ready? Here, go ahead.
Alright, sorry. Let me see one. Alright. Sit. Sit. Down. Roll over.
Oh, that. Oh, I'm sorry.
That. Okay, good girl. Sit. Give me a paw. Okay. Sit.
She's not in the camera.
She's a little bit.
Now give me pretty girl. Pretty
Can-
girl. Pretty girl.
That's it.
Give me pretty girl. Right here. Okay. Okay. Sit. Give me a paw. Let's just do anything. Sit.
No,
Paw.
speak. Speak.
Pretty girl.
Oh, can she do
Give me
speak?
pretty girl.
Can she Sue speak?
Use your words.
Speak.
Use your words.
No, no,
Use your
more.
words.
Speak.
Use your words. Speak.
Chicken?
No, speak.
Use your words. Speak. What do you want?
Speak.
Use your words.
Speak, Zoe, speak.
Speak. What do you want? What do you want?
Speak.
What do you want? Speak. Speak. Good.
Oh, that was a good one.
All
Oh,
that for a crumb?
and we could do the knockover next. Zoe,
ready,
okay,
sit.
sit. No, we need to. Why are we?
Stay.
You're 13. You should not be this hyper.
Knock it over.
That was a good one.
Can she do it for Anna?
That's all. Here, Zoe. I have one last one. Ready, set. Oh, there you go. That was a pretty girl. Good job. Okay. That is how you teach your dog a new trick who's food motivated. All right, Zoe? High five. Nice.